Want to take your social media content from May to wow? We've got the top 10 tools for you. First up, Canva. With its drag-and-drop interface and tons of templates, creating eye-catching graphics is a breeze. Next, Adobe Spark. It lets you whip up professional-looking content, no design degree needed. Hootsuite is your best buddy for scheduling and team collaboration. Speaking of scheduling, Buffer has you covered with analytics and engagement tools. Want to turn blog posts into videos? Lumen 5's AI-powered magic does just that. For more video action, Animoto's drag-and-drop tool makes high-quality videos in minutes. Grammarly ensures your content is polished and error-free. BuzzSumo helps you find what's trending and who's influential, and for visual content planning, Latest drag-and-drop calendar is perfect, especially for Instagram. These tools make content creation and management a breeze. Ready to create amazing content? Let's get started.